start our class. Don't forget subscribe my channel and stay all the time with me and listen carefully. How do I use each action verbs in a sentences? So let's start with the first one. The first one, as you see with the picture, bring. Bring means آوردن. منو میتونید listen. Bring آوردن. Give دادن. Take گرفتن. Hold محکم گرفتن. Carry انتقال دادن. Pull کش کردن. As you see in a picture. Lift بلند کردن از زمین. Put گذاشتن. Push as you see in a picture گله کردن. Lean تکیه کردن. Teach تدریس کردن. Study مطالعه کردن. Draw رسمی کردن. Paint نقاشی کردن. Think فکر کردن. Ask سوال کردن. Slide یخمالک زدن. Skip رسمان بازی کردن. Look دیدن. Point اشاره کردن. Swing گاز خوردن. So as you see my dear students in the pictures, so you have see here with all the actions. So now I want to make for each of them a logical sentence, and after me same like other one, other verbs, other videos, you try your best to make send some sentences and all the time have them with yourself. So بازم گوش کنین عزیزان که با جملات استفاده میکنیم، ببینین چه قسم در جملات استفاده میشن و بعد از اون باز شما وظیفه شما است که هر کدامش این فعلا را یعنی با جملات استفاده کنین و کوشش کنین که حفظش کنین. So the first one, bring. She brings heavy and so you can say she brings a heavy box, or you say she brings or she is bringing in a present continuous tense. She is bringing a heavy box. یعنی در حالت آوردن باکس گرنگ است. Next one, give me the box. Give me the pen. Give me my bag. Right? Next one, take it back. Take it back. Take that one. It's yours. Next one, give me دادن منامیتا از متوجه باشین. Take گرفتن. Give me دادن. Give me. Take means گرفتن. Hold. Hold, it means, what does mean? Hold mean محکم گرفتن. Don't forget, hold. Hold the box. She holds the box, or he holds the box. I hold the pen. Next one, he carries the box. Next one, انتقال دادن. He pulls the what? For example, the few boxes. And next one, he lifts 4 boxes. Left, it means بالا کردن. Next one, he puts the box on the table. Puts the box on the table. گذاشتن، ماندن. He push the door. تله کردن. Next one, he lands on the wall. یعنی تکیه کردن به دیوار. She is teaching an English words. She is teaching an English words. در حالت تدریس کردن لغت انگلیسی است. next one he is studying. next one he is drawing a picture. drawing a picture رسامی میکنه، نقاشی میکنه، در حالت رسامی کردن تصویر است. So next one he is painting a flower. یعنی در حالت رنگ‌آمیزی کردن یا نقاشی کردن گل است. next one think. He is thinking about questions, math questions. درباره سوالات ریاضی فکر میکنه. next one he has a question or he ask a question from his teacher. ask سوال کردن یعنی میپرسه، پرسیدن. next one ask پرسیدن. next slide یخمالق زدن معنا میتازه. slide he is slides so very fast. next one he is skipping. skip دو معنا داره، یک معنایش رسمان بازی کردن و دیگه skip یعنی گذشتن. مثل که شما در کامپیوتر یا در موبایل هایتان بعضی وقتا زیادتر در وقتایی که شما مثلا ویدیو میبینین اعلانات میآید، باز اتومات در مو کارنر خود ویدیو نوشته میشه اسکیپ یعنی که و اسکیپ که شما کلیک میکنین یعنی او مو اناونسمنت دور میشه، یعنی شما از او پاس میشین، دور میشه از شما. اسکیپ یعنی دور کردن یا از او گذشتن. next one یا این معنیش که یک قسمه که شما در تصویر میبینین رسمان بازی کردن. he is skipping very fast or very nice. next one look mean دیدن معنا میده. he is looking at her mother. look it means دیدن. so the small boy is pointing to the moon. یعنی بچه که خورد به طرف مهتاب اشاره میکنه. next one the small girl is swing very fast. swing it means گاز خوردن معنا میده. so once again listen my dear student. bring, give, take, hold, carry, pull, lift, put, push, lend, teach, study, draw. paint it means نقاشی کردن. think ask پرسیدن. slide یخمالک زدن. skip look point swing. That's it. Thank you my dear students. Don't forget once again I want to repeat, try your best to make for each of them 2 or 3 sentences and memorize it and write it down if it's possible. So write it down in a comment, 1 or 2 sentences. Don't forget subscribe my channel and stay all the time with me. Take care, bye bye. We'll see with the next video inshallah with the action verbs.